Hello, people. Today I'm going to the doctor's office because I fell, and now I don't know what happened to me, so now I'm just going to go see what happened and if I'm okay or not. So let's go! The hospital. Hi, doctor.
Hello. Well, this is just going to be a checkup, so you have nothing to be worried about.
I know, I'm so happy.
I'm going to take your lip beat.
Yay!
Sounds pretty good.
That was fun.
I'm going to look at my bag of goodies. Let's see. Now I'm just going to do a little lip testing.
Don't move. That tickles.
Oh, sorry, got a little bit of your lipstick on there.
Lipstick, I like lipstick.
That's nice. Now I just gotta rub. Lucky you're a bald person, otherwise your hair would get all tangled up in this.
I'm a bald woman.
Now, sorry to say, but I'm going to have to give you a shot because
oh no! Oh my God!
You have rabies.
Oh my God!
It might make you a little loopy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, your heart rate is too high. Hello? Is this Chin person's parents? Yes? Your daughter has died.